A quant developer sits at the intersection of finance, mathematics, and software engineering. These professionals build the algorithmic systems that power modern trading desks, hedge funds, and investment banks. If you have a passion for problem solving and a love for numbers, this career path might be exactly what you are looking for. The journey begins with education. Most quant developers hold degrees in mathematics, physics, computer science, or financial engineering. Universities like Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Carnegie Mellon, and Oxford offer specialized programs that align perfectly with this career. Beyond formal education, you need to develop a deep understanding of calculus, linear algebra, probability theory, and statistics. These mathematical disciplines form the backbone of quantitative finance. Programming is non-negotiable in this field. Python and C++ are the two most dominant languages used by quant developers worldwide. Python handles data analysis and strategy prototyping, while C++ manages high-frequency, low-latency trading systems. You should also become comfortable with SQL databases, version control systems like Git, and libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and QuantLib. Building personal projects that simulate trading strategies will significantly strengthen your portfolio. Technical skills alone will not get you hired. You must understand derivatives pricing, stochastic calculus, risk management, and market microstructure. Study concepts like the Black-Scholes model, Monte Carlo simulations, and options Greeks. Reading books like Paul Wilmot on quantitative finance and John Hall's Options, Futures, and Other Derivatives will accelerate your learning considerably. Internships at trading firms, investment banks, or fintech companies provide invaluable real-world experience. Platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank help sharpen your coding interview skills. Networking through LinkedIn and attending quantitative finance conferences opens doors that applications alone cannot. Certifications like the Certificate in Quantitative Finance demonstrate commitment and credibility to potential employers, making your profile stand out in an increasingly competitive landscape.